Here's how you add a new video to the MyFlix library. First, from the home screen in the upper right, click on the desired button. In this case, I clicked number 4, but it may be number 3, 5, or 6 for you, depending upon your settings. So here in the Patient Care Media Center, I'm going to click the button in the upper right called MyFlix. And then I can see all the previous videos that I've added to the library, but I want to add a new one, so I'll hit the green plus sign right there. And now it brings up an area where I can add my own video title. Well, I'm already on a YouTube page ahead of time, just so I can make this easier. And I'm going to copy the name of the video that I want, Control-C, come back here and paste that in. But I may want to add a little bit more information. So let me just backspace and get rid of that return character that was there. And then I'm going to also add this part right here. So I copy that, I'm going to come over here and paste it. So now I have a title for my video. Then I'll go back to that and I'll copy the area right here, which is the link for the video itself. So let's come back here and click the bar that says Paste Video Link. So there it is. Now I'm going to get a thumbnail by clicking this button. You don't always have to do this. I'll give you an alternative in just a minute. But when I do that, it takes me to a website here where I can simply paste in, and then it automatically brings up a few choices here. Well, I could use this one with the black bars there, but I kind of like the bottom one. I also like the image here, but when I tried those, they're a little bit small and therefore blurry, not high resolution. So I think I'm going to go with right here, this large one, and I'll just right-click and copy the image, and then come back and click the Paste Video Thumbnail button, and it pastes that right there for me. So that may be good enough, but let's click into the field and press Delete. And I'm going to try a different approach. I'm going to right-click into the field that says Video Thumbnail Image, and then Insert Picture. This will allow me to navigate to a Pictures folder. In this case, I already have it ready to go, and I'll double-click and insert that picture, and that may be more appropriate for your needs, depending on what you want. So you have both choices. Let's now go back to our video and see the length of the video. Let me close this window, and over here I see I'm 5 seconds into a 1 minute and 30-second video. So once again, we'll come back here and just type in 0130. So we have a video length, and that may have value in certain cases. Finally, I want to put in some video comments. So coming back here, I can copy some comments from there and paste that in right here. Sorry for the loud noise. And in this case, I also have some additional comments, and I'm going to paste those in. So that way, when I send out an email, it will put the title of the video and all of the comments right there in the email itself. So you could put in a paragraph or several paragraphs if that has value for your email. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to click the close button in the upper right, and you'll notice that the video has gone down right here because it's automatically ranked number 9 when you create a new video. Well, I can change that to any other number. In this case, I want it to go to the top, so I'm going to press 0. And when I scroll back up to the top, there it is waiting for me. So I am ready to send this video to any patient now. But in this case, I'm going to first attach or automatically attach some documents. So I'll click the little paperclip icon, and as long as you've stored all of your PDF attachments in a desired folder, in this case on the C drive in the Documents folder, then I can find those by clicking here, and you can see I have a whole lot of samples here. But I'm going to select my practice brochure by typing PR, and then it brings up that. And then I'll put in another one, which would be my notice of privacy, so I'll just type that in. And so now I have a couple of those ready to go. I'm going to press close, and now when I send an email to a patient, by clicking this button, it will automatically attach those. Well, you'll notice that I'm on Jennifer Morgan, but let's just go to a different patient. It doesn't matter if you entered that for under Mary, Bob, or Stephen. It's all there for everyone. So I'm going to send this to Doris by, again, clicking the MyFlix button, then choosing the desired video by clicking this icon there, and it will pull up an email going to Doris now, not to the patient I started this all on. So it will go to any patient, and here's the message. It automatically fills in the patient's name. Hello, Mrs. Mandel. This is our video, and it will automatically underline that when you send it typically. And here's all that information ready to go to the patient, and the brochures are right there. Now this is from a different practice that I just happened to pull in here as an example, and then I also put from a separate practice my privacy practice, notice of privacy practices. So it's real simple to just click a button, click send, and that's on its way to Doris. And when I do that, it will then automatically, let me go ahead and click and show you what I mean. I'll close this, and behind the scenes then I would see that under the print history area, I would see that I sent that video link along with those two attachments to that patient, in case you ever wondered if you sent it. Now coming back to our video here, I can then do the same thing by repeating that process to put my video about how to clean receiver RIC products or wax filters or anything else that you might have in there. So you can add your own videos, just go one after another, simply by coming to the actual video itself, clicking the green button, and then going through that procedure, and pretty soon you'll have your own library there ready to go. Thanks for watching.